Whatever you are looking to organize, we have collected a host of helpful tips and ideas, and most of the items can be bought for very little money. You just need a little imagination and creativity, and you would be surprised at what you can use to organize your life. Take a look at these 13 best DIY home organization ideas. Number 1. Turn jelly jars into cute kitchens. Stash loose change and errant buttons in the glass vessels. Number 2. Make a wood frame into a ribbon display. We highly recommend this DIY hack for craftaholics. Screw small cup hooks into the back on each side. Thread rolls of ribbon over dowels and place dowels in hooks. Number 3. Create a memo board out of an old sign. Most authentically vintage signs are metal, so use the real deal if you want magnets to stick. Number 4. Flip wicker baskets into statement lighting. Cut a hole in the basket bottom, pruning shears will do the trick, and add a pendant light kit. Tape off and spray paint a stripe if desired. Number 5. Turn a pair of ladders into a desk. Affix a plywood board across rungs with screws. A work desk should be roughly 30 inches tall. Number 6. Use metal tings for a tiered supply caddy. Using nuts and bolts to hold the tings at the desired heights. To provide clearance for the washer and bolt on the bottom, glue the lid of the bottom tin, right side up, to the bottom. Wrap the rod with twine. Number 7. Turn a game board into a winning stool. Secure a Chinese checkers board to a wood round and replace existing seat by attaching with screws. Number 8. Create a hanging station with a wooden ladder. It'll serve double duty as a shelf and a drying rack. Secure with eye hooks and thick twine or chain. Number 9. Turn a rickety ironing board into a bulletin board. Cut a piece of foam board to fit the face, then cover it with a salvageable section of a tattered vintage quilt. Secure the quilt to the back of the board with a staple gun. Number 10. Flip ho-hum hangers into decorative hangers. Wrap hangers in 1/2 inch strips of scrap fabric. Use a dab of hot glue to keep ends in place. Number 11. Use a cookie jar for dryer ball storage. Cookie jars are good for storing more than sweet treats. Number 12. Make liquid dispensers from soda bottles. Early 20th century bubble-up bottles from Sandusky, Ohio-based Sweet Valley products are particularly spot on for laundry room decor. Cookie jars are good for storing more than sweet treats. Number 13. Turn a grain sack into a laundry bag. Insert curtain no-sew grommets to make it easily hangable. That's all for now. Don't forget to like, subscribe and give your comment if you like this video. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.